Now you can play football anywhere with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's desktop football. No high-tech electronics here. No online video gaming. Just low-tech entertainment. So, what we get in this little package, you get a little book here, and it kind of gives you some history of football, a brief history, football fun, playing desktop football. I think you can pick up some football info here. I tell you what, if one of your favorite friends watches football and you don't know anything about it, maybe you can just buy this and educate yourself. But what we get here is a little goalpost set, so I think I can kick some field goals. All right, there's gonna be a little assembly required. Ooh, look at this. All right, so what we get as a base, you can see we have little openings there, so I can push these little extensions into there. Wow, it's actually pretty tight. These things are not gonna easily come out. So fans rush the field. These things are going to be pretty sturdy. It's actually pretty big. Put my whole hand through there. All right. So this is going to sit up on your desk. And then, I'm not sure why we actually have a little challenge flag included here, but we do. All right. And then we have a little foam football. It looks like a Madeleine for those of you that are French viewers and part of the Panda Nation. But kind of a little flatter football. A little wider, but it is football shaped and very soft, so you don't have to worry about breaking anything. And then we have a little T here, so you can set this sucker up. You know, we used to do this by holding it with our fingers when you'd make them out of paper back in the day. But now you don't even need to do that. You can just set this up and kick field goals this way. So let's try it out. Okay, this is research here at the Panda Institute. Although it looks like fun. All right, so just gonna set it up here and very disappointing. Very little power. You really need to kind of kick through the ball. You might actually have to work on your flicking action here. Oh, that one kind of far. Nonetheless, that was a field goal though. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get it right through the uprights. I'm trying not to flick it way too far. I have a lot of power here. Son of a gun? Oh my gosh. Upright. I totally Cody Parkey'd that. Alright, another field goal. Alright, you can spend a lot of time playing with this thing because it's pretty fun. But I would give yourself a wide berth because the way I flick, man, the balls are going to go flying. But if you want to pick up this little fun field goal football game, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. Now you can play football oh, my pretty